Hello, welcome back. I hope you enjoyed the nice grocery store tour we took yesterday and that you learned something new. Today, I wanted to share a little trick with you that has been life-changing for me as I've tried to adjust to this new lifestyle. When I was younger and I got into the fad diets, I just remember thinking, all these things that I can't have, and as soon as this diet is over and I've lost the weight, I'll be able to go back to eating the way I was eating before. And that's why diets never work. We all know this by now. You can't change your life and change your health if you're not willing to do it for the rest of your life. So if you are thinking about how miserable you are, about all the things you're missing out on, you're not going to last very long eating this way. So one of the major ways that I helped to set myself up for success was to be focusing on all the things that I needed to be eating every day to help my body to heal. I had some health problems and I really wanted to get better, and I knew that the foods that I was currently eating weren't doing it for me. I think our body and nature really know what they're doing, because isn't it so appealing when you see a big bowl full of fresh fruits and vegetables, and they're colorful and they taste ripe and delicious and they're seasoned really well, and after you eat them you just feel really, really good. When I first started eating this way, I was thinking about all the foods that I needed to get into my body so that they could heal me. I'd done my research. I knew what those foods were. I knew I needed to be eating them every day. And focusing on that, focusing on the specific foods I needed, the amounts that I needed to be eating of them, and how to cook them in a way that tastes delicious to me, really helped me over that initial hump of being sad about all the things I was missing out on. And I'll be honest with you, now that I've eaten this way for a long time, I am not even tempted by those foods anymore, because they don't make me feel good, and I'm so used to eating things that make me feel good that I don't want to go back. Now, do not misunderstand. I still love some good dark chocolate. I still loved baked goods over the holidays, but I know the amounts and I know the varieties that make me still feel good. And I've chosen to eat those instead of just letting my body be a garbage disposal for whatever I'm craving at the moment. Also, my cravings over time have changed, and I crave foods that are good for me. It is a miracle. So give it a chance, give your perspective that shift, and focus on what you need to be doing to heal yourself, and you will set yourself up for success.